Hi and welcome to my first video. Today I am going to give you some information on a brilliant software for speeding up your computer, laptop. You can get a version for the Android as well. I will go through that at a later training video. This one today though, I'm just going to focus on the PC and laptop. The software is called CCleaner, and basically it's a software for cleaning your computer up or laptop, getting rid of all the junk, get rid of all the cookies, hopefully speed it up a little bit. It is free. I'm going to focus on free software. I'm trying not to do the paid versions. If I can find a free version of a paid software, this is what my channel's always going to be about as much as possible. I will try my hardest, but today I just wanted to show you how to use CCleaner. It is an amazing software. It will allow you to speed up your computer. One of the things I usually get asked every time somebody goes to a computer, they say, my computer's slow, it's slowed down since I bought it, it doesn't seem to run as fast as when I bought it. This software may help you to speed up your computer a little bit, so hopefully it will. So basically, as you can see, I'm in Google Chrome. I'm just going to type in CCleaner, so it's CCleaner into the search bar, and as you can see, you can search for it. Excuse me. CCleaner official site is at the top there, so we're going to click that one. Only go to the CCleaner official site. Do not go and get it from anywhere else. I would just recommend you going directly to that site if you need to download it from anywhere. Click it, and it brings open their website. As you see, you've got their icon on. There's a CCleaner Pro version, but today we're just going to focus on the free download. So click the free download. It scrolls down the website a little bit, and you've got the free version here, as you can see, with the download button. Click on that. Again, we've got a table. You've got the professional bundle. Today we're just focusing on the free version. So if you scroll down with your mouse and then click the download button with the left button. Okay, what will happen now? A window will open up asking you to download to your downloads folder. You click save, and as you can see in Google Chrome, it shows up in the bar at the bottom. If it doesn't show up at the bar at the bottom, then you will need to go to your downloads folder and run the file directly from there. But mine showed up in my downloads bar, so I'm going to click it. So it's double left click, and you will not see this message showing up because obviously it's called the user account control message box. Basically, Windows double checks that you want to install software. All you need to do is click the yes button when it shows up. What's happening now, it's going to unpack the software, it's going to install the software, and then we're going to see the confirmation box as it's installed. Okay, so it's saying by installing this product you agree to our license agreement and privacy policy. You don't need to read them. You can do if you want to, but I wouldn't just basically say install it. I've checked this software. I've used it for nearly 15, maybe more years. I've never had a problem with it yet. It doesn't interfere with any other software that you have running on your computer. It is brilliant. Okay, so just click the install button. What it's doing now is extracting and installing the software. It's going to show a box already installed, quick as that. You've got a thing there that says release notes. You don't need to view them, so you can untick that, and we're just going to run CCleaner. Okay, so just going to basically go quickly through the interface today. I will go through all the other bits that CCleaner does in other lessons, but today I'm just going to literally show you how to do a quick analysis, then run a cleaner and see how much space you can actually save on your computer and how much faster it'll speed it up. Okay, so as you can see, we're already on the CCleaner tab there at the top. You've got the registry, which we'll go through another day. You've got tools, you've got options, and you've got the upgrade if you want to upgrade it to the professional. But as I say, you don't need to. Okay, one thing I will say about the difference between the free version and professional is the free version, you have to come and do this at least once a day or maybe once a week. In the professional version, it does actually automatically do the updates and clean and does stuff for you. There is so many elements in the free version where it does do a bit of automation, but mainly most of it you have to do manually. Me, I'm not bothered because I'm on my computer every day, so I don't mind coming in and doing the cleaning. It's basically like brushing your kitchen floor, keeping it clean every day. Okay, so we're on the cleaner section there. You don't need to untick any of these boxes. You don't need to tick any extra boxes in here. Just leave them as they are. It's completely correct what it's got. It's going to empty Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer, and it will also do applications like Chrome. It'll empty them, and Firefox as well. So what we're going to do is going to click the Analysis button. What it's doing now, it's analysing your system. It's basically telling me to shut down Firefox. Obviously, I'm using it for my webcam here at the moment until my webcam comes through the post. So I'm using my phone through Firefox. So I'm going to leave that on because I want that on there. Otherwise, it'll disappear. I will disappear. It will ask me for Chrome, which is behind. It's going to ask me in a minute to shut that down. You can actually tick that box to say, do not show me this message again. But I'm just going to leave that unticked at the moment because obviously I'm using Firefox. You can click yes to shut it down. It should try to shut down Chrome, which it has done. And basically it's saying it's done the analysis complete. It's showing that I've got 465 megabytes of data to be removed. Okay, and as you can see, you've got empty the recycle bin, get rid of temporary internet files, Internet Explorer, get rid of the internet caching, Google Chrome, cookies, history and everything out there, and Firefox as well, the browsers that I've been using. So basically what you do is you just click the Run Cleaner. I can tick that box now, and basically that will show, this box will not show up again, it will just run it straight away. Click Continue. What it's doing now is getting its little brush out, and it's brushing out right away all the files, all the rubbish that's in your computer that you no longer need. It should speed it up marginally. There is other things we need to do with the registry in another video that I'm going to show you to do, but it should speed up. One of the most important things what this software does though, it does get rid of the cookies in your browser. So I would recommend running this software before you go onto your banking sites. So basically run this software, then go into your banking sites. When you've been on your banking sites, run this software again. Why would you do that? Well, basically what it does, it gets rid of all the cookies that are related to your security issues with your banking. Basically meaning that if you do get a virus on your computer, most viruses go search for your cookies, try to extract information to find information about you, your banking sites and whatever. So it's a good idea to run this software. Also, I will be going through antivirus software over the next few weeks in videos as well, and showing you the best ones to use for online banking. Okay, so it's completed that, and as it's showing up, it's saying privacy, 386 tracking files removed, 466 megabytes on unnecessary files removed as well. Okay, so the job's done it. Brilliant. Okay, so that is the first video today. Just showing you how to install CCleaner free, how to run it, and hopefully speed up your computer a little bit. Look forward to speaking to you in my next video.